Hi, this is Shalene from CDOCS. Today's tip of the day is leveraging your PrimeScan Ortho software to be able to do orthodontic diagnosis such that you can present a plan to the patient immediately after your scan. Within your orthodontic software, you're going to find a whole host of features. The first starts with the fact that there's an auto segmentation as well as a backup manual segmentation of your teeth. This is super important because when you want to actually show movement of the teeth live to your patient right on the spot, you need that ability to segment the teeth out from the bone and segment the teeth out from each other. You then have the ability, if you want to be able to move some of the teeth on the screen to show the patient what are potential changes that they would wish to see, and then actually see that realized on the screen. The second thing is you can actually do arch circumference available versus arch length required. And you can see is the magnitude of the crowding that's there, 6 millimeters or less, within your comfort zone to be able to do that with IPR alone, or does it require more investigation beyond that to understand what type of space genesis would be required. You can also do arch width and a whole host of other things, including marking out the angles of classification to be able to show the patient that the teeth are in fact staggered like this, but the molars should actually be like this on top of each other so that they get a visualization of in fact actually what a correct bite should look like from where they're at that moment. This really helps in the dialogue of why the patient would benefit from orthodontics, how they could be corrected, and giving them some visuals and some more hard facts behind the reason of your diagnosis and your proposed treatment plan. I hope that this is of help, and don't forget to always enhance the orthodontic restorative relationship and to make sure that you're referring children by the age of 7 to your local orthodontic team. Thank you so much.